Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. An RC coupled amplifier is assumed to have a single pole low frequency transfer function. The maximum lower cutoff frequency allowed for the amplifier to pass 50 Hz square wave with no more than 10% tilt is. So what can be the lower cutoff frequency of an RC coupled amplifier that has to pass 50 Hz square wave with 10% tilt? So if you are going to check about the frequency response of RC coupled amplifier, the frequency response is going to be seen in this way. Frequency response is going to be a graph between gain versus frequency. So how much is the gain provided by the RC amplifier at different frequencies from 0 to infinite. So this is well known. This is maximum gain it is providing, so that it can be treated as A, and 70% of it, if you are going to be drawing a horizontal line over here, that is going to be touching at these 2 points, that is 70.7% of maximum gain, that you can write it as 0.707 times of A, otherwise A by root 2. So at which frequencies the gain is going to be equal to 70.7% of its maximum, those will be treated as cutoff frequencies FL and FH. Lower cutoff frequency and upper cutoff frequency, they are also treated as 3 dB frequencies, because they are also treated as 3 dB frequencies. If you are going with maximum gain and gain at 70%, if you express in decibels, the difference between this one is going to be always equal to 3 dB. Maximum gain and the gain at FL is going to be having a 3 dB difference if you express the gain in decibels. Similarly at FH also. This is the reason why they called as 3 dB frequencies. And if you observe this low frequency side, that is nothing but this is what we are going with is at low frequency side, the frequency response is going to be looks like at low frequencies RC coupled amplifier. RC coupled amplifiers acts as high pass filter. High pass filter, as the name implies, it passes high frequencies from starting from a lower cutoff frequency. All the frequencies above FL are going to be treated as high frequencies, and below FL are going to be treated as low frequencies. So high pass filter passes all frequencies starting from FL, and that too it has given that one single pole low frequency transfer function. Single pole low frequency transfer function is nothing but a single pole transfer function. High pass filter is going to be this one. Single pole is nothing but it has consisting of only one RC component. This is, if it is double pole, at that time we have to add one more RC component. This is now double pole, but what was given is nothing but single pole transfer function. Single pole transfer function, a single capacitor and a single resistor, that's going to be the transfer function at low frequencies. And we know the frequency response of this one, it's going to be looks like this. So where this is a frequency at which 70.7% of its maximum is reaching, that value is nothing but FL. So if it has to pass 50 Hz frequency with no more than 10% tilt, okay, the relation between percentage tilt at any frequency can be calculated like this. Percentage tilt at any frequency is going to be calculated with pi into FL by F. At low frequencies, percentage tilt can be calculated using this equation. And here we are interested in F is equal to 50, such that FL, what is the value we are going to calculate. So given that one F is equal to 50 and percentage tilt is 10, you should not take it as 0.1. The equation itself is going to be saying percentage tilt. So you must express in terms of percentage only. You should not take as a 0.1. Okay, 10 is equal to pi times of FL divided by 50. From this one, FL is equal to 500 divided by pi. It is approximately equal to 150 hertz. So FL value, lower cutoff frequency of the amplifier, should be around 150 hertz, such that a 50 hertz square wave can pass through with no more than 10% tilt. So this is the answer for the question. And one more important point is, at high frequencies, if you observe, that is this point, at high frequencies, okay, amplifier acts as low pass filter. Amplifier acts as low pass filter, that is, now as the name implies, it passes all low frequencies up to a cutoff frequency of FH. So all these are going to be passed up to this FH. So this is going to be act as low pass filter. And if you are representing with single pole transfer function, at that time this is going to be looks in this way, R and C. So remember it, an amplifier is going to be having capacitance effect, okay, that is reactive nature at low frequencies and at high frequencies. At low frequencies because of external capacitors, that is microfarad capacitors, and at high frequencies it is because of picofarad capacitors, which are internal capacitances, that is parasitic capacitances. And at mid frequencies over here, at mid frequencies during this portion, at mid frequencies amplifier is resistive in nature, so that the gain is going to be maximum. And at high frequencies and low frequencies, frequency responsive is reactive, that is nothing but it is sensitive to frequency. So as frequency increases or decreases, gain changes. But in mid frequencies it is resistive, independent of frequency, so the gain is going to be constant at mid frequencies. This you must remember in case of frequency response. The right answer for this question is 150 Hz. Thank you.